Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AWS Lambda, a powerful and versatile serverless computing service. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with cloud computing, Lambda has something incredible to offer. Stick around as we explore its introduction, features, advantages, and a few considerations you should keep in mind. So, what exactly is AWS Lambda? At its core, Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. It automatically scales and manages the infrastructure needed to run your applications, allowing you to focus on writing code and building amazing things. Now, let's talk about why AWS Lambda is so useful. The answer is flexibility. Lambda supports multiple programming languages, and its event-driven architecture allows you to respond to events in real time. Whether it's processing data, automating tasks, or building back-end services for your applications, Lambda can handle it all. Plus, you only pay for the compute time you consume. Lambda comes packed with some incredible features. First off, it supports a variety of languages including Python, Node, Java, and more. Second, it seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, creating a powerful ecosystem. And perhaps one of its standout features is the ability to auto-scale, ensuring that your application is responsive regardless of the load. Of course, no technology is without its drawbacks. One potential disadvantage is the cold start issue, where the first request to a function may experience a slight delay as the environment is set up. Additionally, for long-running processes, traditional server models might be more cost-effective. In conclusion, AWS Lambda is a game-changer in the world of cloud computing. Its serverless architecture, flexibility, and seamless integration with other AWS services make it a popular choice for developers worldwide. While it may have a few considerations like the cold start issue, its advantages far outweigh the drawbacks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments if you've had experience with AWS Lambda or if you have any questions. Until then, happy coding.